Hello, I'm teacher Sonia. I'm an online English teacher for kids aged 5 to 12, and my classes are perfect for beginners. I have a clear, friendly accent, and I have a simple, effective way to teach pronunciation, especially tricky sounds like the R sound, to make learners feel comfortable and confident speaking from the start. In my classes, we focus on speaking, listening, reading, and vocabulary through games, stories, pictures, and short activities to make learners engaged and happy to learn. In my class, I follow a clear learning plan so learners know what they are learning, and parents will see real progress over time. So if you are looking for a calm, supportive teacher whose lessons are perfect for beginners or shy learners, I would be happy to help. Don't forget to book a lesson with me and let us discuss your child's progress. Bye.